Imagine having a super snack that has the opposite effect of a regular snack in your body. There is a list of delicious snacks that will help you burn fat if you include them in your diet. Be sure to watch the video in its entirety to find out how some kinds of ice cream can help you lose a couple of pounds. These are a few delicious fat-burning snacks that can help you lose weight. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is not only healthy for you and delicious, but it's also proven by experts to help burn body fat too. Greek yogurt can help with fat burning, but it needs to be the full-fat variety. First, full-fat Greek yogurt contains conjugated linoleic acid, which promotes fat burning. And secondly, probiotics naturally found in the yogurt support good gut bacteria, which is key to any weight loss program. This is important as the more overweight the person, the more imbalanced the bacteria in their gut. And it's the imbalance that makes it harder to lose fat overall. As for Greek yogurt's fat-burning qualities, it has been reported that the amino acids, vitamin D, and calcium it contains speed up fat burning. And this was certainly proven by several studies. Participants who cut calories and ate just over 500 grams of yogurt daily lost an incredible 81% more belly fat than their counterparts. Suffice to say, we'll be drizzling over our granola and adding to our morning smoothies in the hopes of reaping the same rewards. Broccoli. Experts have given these cute tiny trees the green light as one of the best fat-burning foods for weight loss. Broccoli and its counterparts like cauliflower and Brussels sprouts are super high in fiber and nutrients that keep your body burning fat. Broccoli contains calcium, which is good for both healthy joints and weight loss, according to researchers. One University of Tennessee study found that calcium controls how fat is processed and stored in the body, and that the more calcium in a fat cell, the more fat the cell will burn. A word to the wise though, steaming this green superfood is the best way to reap the full fat-burning effects. This is because steaming broccoli will grant you a good chance of benefiting from all of its nutrients. And of course, frying broccoli comes with a little more calories if seasoned and splashed with some olive oil. Nuts. Snacking on nuts on the regular has several nutritional benefits for our bodies. Most nuts, particularly almonds, are an incredible root of magnesium and healthy fats. These healthy fats also give your body antioxidants, which can fight off and repair any damage caused by inflammation or infections. Indeed, almonds in particular are something of a fat-burning superfood, according to one U.S. study. Overweight participants who enjoyed almonds as part of a low-calorie diet lost 50% more fat overall and around their waist compared to the other test group. Dark chocolate. Most experts say that small amounts of dark chocolate are healthy for you, your body, and your waist area. According to some nutritionists, dark chocolate lowers sugar cravings, leaves you feeling satisfied, and improves your metabolism. Dark chocolate is full of famous fatty acids, which help improve your metabolism functions. Thanks to this, you will burn calories a lot quicker. Still, when picking dark chocolate, make sure you view the ingredients, as most brands are still charged with a lot of sugar. What's more, science has shown that giving in to the evening chocolate munchies might work in our favor. In one study, women who ate chocolate at night had a better metabolism and lost weight from around their middle after 2 weeks. But be warned, whilst there was evident weight loss, researchers advised against regularly overindulging in chocolate due to its overall high calorie content. Watermelon. Juicy and refreshing, this is one of many fat-burning foods we can get on board with. A sweet summer treat, watermelon's benefit is in its name. Its high water content makes it satisfying without lots of calories. And it's not just its low-calorie status that appeals to dieters. Research reveals that watermelon also aids weight loss too. One San Diego University study found that participants who ate watermelon daily for 4 weeks had reduced body weight and blood pressure. Halo ice cream. Halo Top frozen treats are a lower-calorie alternative to traditional ice cream. The company offers more than 47 products, including high-protein ice cream pints and pops. They also offer several non-dairy and keto-friendly options, which are available in a variety of flavors. However, some people wonder whether these frozen treats are all they're cracked up to be. Halo Top has much less calories than regular ice cream because it comes with natural sugar replacements and less cream. This ice cream combines natural and organic ingredients. Plus, Halo Top uses dairy ingredients from professionally raised cows and organic cane sugar. Aside from the original dairy-based choices, Halo Top can be found in versions appropriate for people on vegan or keto diets. Chicken. Be it a breast, a thigh, or a good old chicken drumstick, chicken has earned a spot in our fat-burning foods roundup. Research shows that this particular poultry can aid weight loss. A study by the University of Navarra found that those who frequently ate chicken as part of a balanced diet experienced a significant weight reduction, mainly due to the loss of fat mass. Experts say that this is due to chicken's high protein nature. Lean protein sources, just like chicken, can require more energy or calories to digest than other carbs. Eating lean protein also protects your muscle mass when you're in a calorie deficit, and lean mass burns more calories than fat. Another study found that chicken is also effective in making us feel full after a meal, as the amino acids in it make our brains recognize that we are full afterward. Of course, be aware that sadly, deep-fried chicken does not carry the same nutritional benefits, and is best avoided or eaten as a rare treat. Blueberries. These delicious treats can count as one of your 5-a-day portions. Blueberries are great for burning fat, particularly belly fat. One animal study on rats proved that those who had a diet full of blueberries lost a lot of abdominal fat. Plus, blueberries have other health benefits like reduced cholesterol levels and high glucose levels. Blueberries and other berries have high water content and are lower in sugar than other fruits without sacrificing sweetness. Their elevated antioxidant compounds will help you stay healthy. Oranges. Oranges are one of the most common and accessible foods you can find. Oranges are known for containing lots of vitamin C, B, potassium, and fiber. Oranges contain just the right amount of sugar to satisfy you. This will also help prevent diabetes. Instead of fructose, which is the most harmful form of sugar, oranges have a form of sugar your body will immediately use as fuel. This means it will not only satisfy you faster, but it will also help you eat fewer foods that store sugar as fat. The real secret in oranges is nobiletin. Nobiletin is a chemical found in oranges and tangerines that reverses obesity and unclogs arteries. Popcorn. Moving into the snack family of cutting weight, we have popcorn. Most people don't know about this, but popcorn is the best way of eating carbs without gaining a ton of calories. It's basically like eating air. Popcorn contains much fewer calories than many popular snack foods. Because of its low calorie content, low energy density, and high fiber content, eating popcorn will help you eat fewer calories and lose weight. But of course, you should always try to have popcorn with the least amount of butter and salt as possible. Besides, popcorn is very cheap. It's not necessarily the most nutritional food, but it made the list because who said you can't enjoy snacking while you're losing fat? Pickles. Including pickles in your diet as a healthy snack can help you shed pounds, thanks to their low calorie count. A cup of dill pickles, regular or low sodium, has just 17 calories to add to your daily calorie count. Even if you're following a very restricted diet of 1,200 calories per day, that's less than 2% of your daily calorie allowance. If you're craving dill pickle flavored chips or popcorn, satisfy your craving with actual pickles to lose weight. Each 1-ounce serving of dill pickle chips has 150 calories. If you swapped out the chips for real dill pickles 3 times a week for a year, you'd save enough calories to lose more than 6 pounds of fat. Make sure you stick with unsweetened pickles for your low-calorie snack though. Sweetened pickles, like bread and butter pickles, are much higher in calories, 146 calories per cup. Most of those calories come from the sugar used to sweeten the pickles, which means sweetened varieties aren't ideal for a weight loss diet. Leave a comment with your favorite fat-burning snack. See you next time!